Hi guys, so we are at the 0 point of Upper Chizang. So you can see this is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. So first let me thank our central government, state government, local government. They have done a fantastic job. Trust me, we are at the northeastmost corner of West Bengal. The right side, this is the right side, this is Bhutan. This all areas that you see are Bhutan, while these areas that you see are Sikkim. So this is the northeastmost corner, and if you see that side, that one, show my finger also, that particular area, that white trail kind of a thing, if you see there is a road kind of a trail, that is Nathula Pass, that road, white trail. And if you go little bit on the right side, just on this particular region, that is Doklam, where Indochina skirmish has happened earlier. Okay, and this is this is the forest trail that we have just walked through a little bit, few minutes ahead. Obviously this is super awesome. I
And
mean,
meant for trekking.
if you go there, this is an experience you can never forget. And now we will be walking down this trail. You see the condition of the road. One more thing you must see, that this is where it begins. So they have actually had a small concrete opening, more probably. So from where it, this is the 0 point from where we are supposed to be at the northeastmost corner. There are some more places like Thangta Monastery, which we will go in little bit later in the day, and you will be able to see that also in the other videos. Thangta Monastery is the last point. After that there are no roads. But for Upper Chizang, Chizang as a village, this is the last point of Chizang.
You can go inside this trail to another 500 or 600 meters, and it ends there. But that is a kacha road,
And it's beautiful.
and
This
it's
is perfect for
beautiful.
trekking.
This is perfectly fine for trekking, which we are experiencing as of now
And
from our stay, the place where we are staying.
and also remember that if you are coming in the non-winter seasons, better wear your shoes and your shorts instead of the full trousers that we are wearing, the track shoots,
Yeah.
because it's little warm here.
Yeah, it's because you will be trekking through this way, which is a inclination of at least 45 degrees. So
Mostly.
most places, so you will feel the inner tiredness, and you will sweat a lot. So we will suggest you in the warm time, which is like from April to September. You can wear shorts also in this region, to along with your sports shoes, obviously. And you can see in these hills, the extreme points. In these extreme points we have the mountains where you will see snow throughout.
From
Eh,
January to March.
yeah, from January to March, this whole range where the clouds are as of now, that will be covered by snow. So it will be beautiful from here. And as we go through the trail down the way, we will pause the video, and as and when required, we'll again show you the way.
So we are now walking down the trail, and you see the flora here, the kind of the different kind of trees and the shrubs. That is so variety. And then you would like to, you'll be amazed to know, there we have heard in the last 2 days at least 8 to 9 different kinds of insect sounds. The thing is that from the busy city life, there is so much sound. Suddenly when you come here, you don't need to do anything extra for meditation, it naturally happens. On the right side, we are only sound that we are getting is that of the river. There is a huge river, and that side is a valley which belongs to Bhutan, which is a Bhutanese army's camp or base, you can say. And this side entirely is India, West Bengal. So this is the other side of the mountains which we were not able to see from the starting point, the 0 point. So we are further down in our trail, and you can see the kind of jungle. Will give you a glimpse of the jungle and the forest here, because we got a small opening. And when you see this, you will be amazed. See the kind of water, small streams, how the streams are coming, and there is a road. If you come here, you will see. Slowly come this side. There is a small road, and these are the side entries to various kind of forest treks that you can do here. And this side you can go further. So these are extremely interesting places. The point is that if you come here and stay where we are staying, that kind of a place, you just don't need to do anything else than living in this particular place for 2 to 3 days, or sometimes 3 to 4 days. That will be good enough. No extra effort is needed.
Yeah, and you can see that this road which is there, a pakka road, and all throughout you'll find this kind of small trails throughout. So this is perfect for trekking. So one who loves trekking will find it very nice to explore all these places.
Something to our viewers.
कुछ बोलिए ये.
कुछ भी बोलिए. What kind of, you are here for a long time? I mean, you stay here, right? आप यहीं रहते हो ना?
इधर ही रहते हैं हम.
ओके.
बकरी का.
ये इनका बकरी. आपका नाम?
राजन राय.
राजन राय.
आप कहाँ से रहता है?
हम लोग कलकत्ता से आया है, एक मैगजीन से. हम
ऊपर.
हाँ, ऊपर हम लोग 0 पॉइंट तक गया.
कब आया?
हम लोग कल शाम को आया है, और कल सुबह, टुमारो वाला सुबह चला जाएगा. सो दिस इज अ फैंटास्टिक.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हम लोग
0 पॉइंट गए थे हम लोग यहाँ से. बहुत अच्छा. और ये सुना कि वो ऊपर स्नो होता है.
बर्फ रहता है क्या?
रहता है. अभी नहीं है, दिसंबर जनवरी.
हाँ, विंटर के टाइम यहाँ बर्फ होता है ना. बहुत बढ़िया सुंदर जगह है.
आइए फिर.
हाँ, थैंक
बिल्कुल
यू.
बिल्कुल. हम भी आएंगे, दूसरे फ्रेंड्स को भी लाएंगे. बिल्कुल.
थैंक यू.
ओके, बाय.
See, this is the small log. This is where we actually, rested, and we have a little more, few more such places. But trust me, with this shade, this air, this view, this is absolutely mesmerizing.
So as we go down the trail, as we have seen lot many herbs, shrubs and bushes, and here you see butterflies and small flowers, beautiful wild flowers grown on its own. And you can check the butterfly. I don't think the camera
I don't know
will.
whether a butterfly or some other insect, but whatever it is beautiful, and it is truly beautiful.
And you can see the small bees in the flowers. Beautiful place. And okay, let me catch this. This is a moth, I guess. Moth or a butterfly. Tough for us to identify. Maybe someone who is interested in flora and fauna and
This would be a paradise for the botanist and the people who love bird watching, flowers, and even the Ayurvedic people.
yeah, this has grown on its own, I guess, and breathtaking is what the word is for this.
See, this is the place where we rested while we were going up again. So the shadows were in a different angle at that point of time. Now you see there is a walking trail this side and one this side. So you can understand that this one single hill you can spend almost the entire day. Almost. This has been an extremely tiring but satisfying and awesome experience. We are about to end our morning trail. Today we got up at 4:30 and had the first view of the mountains and see the sunrise from the mountains of Bhutan. Then we had our morning tea, and now we are slowly reaching the end point of our morning trek. So signing off from here, Dipayan and Rahul. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.